This is 12.0 Radio News just came in at 2:20 p.m. A boy was abducted downtown Las Vegas department. She was last time seen wearing red shoes, blue long pants, red t-shirt with black stripes, has yellow hair and has blue eyes. Her name is Barney Willis. Her skin tone is brown. Her age is 8. The suspect is unknown driver. If you know this person, call 911 immediately.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Las Vegas Police Department at 7:40 p.m. Eastern Time. A boy named Barney Willis was abducted in a downtown Las Vegas apartment. There's an update for this situation. The suspect is now known. The suspect's name is still unknown driver at this time. This suspect was wearing black shoes, black racing suit, black racing gloves, black helmet with no logo, with helmet on, and red eyes with red eyes color. Tune to local outlets for further information. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Las Vegas Police Department at 8:05 p.m. Eastern Time. More drivers. We are being kidnapped by the suspect, but there is bad news. The suspects are actually the Ghost Formula One. A shelter-in-place warning has been issued for the city of Las Vegas. If you live in Las Vegas, take these precautions: lock all doors and windows, turn air conditioning off, get a med kit, bring food and water, and bring some weapons for protection. Tune to local outlets for further information. We will continue to serve the Las Vegas area.
This is 93.9 Talk Show of Las Vegas. We are keeping coverage of this dangerous situation. A power blackout has just made and the police are saying no. The Ghost Formula One who broke the power system. Presidium City of Las Vegas. It is believed that the Ghost Formula One are from the ritual that filmed in a random time. People in Las Vegas needs to stay shelter. If you go out of your shelter, your life will face some serious jeopardy.
The following message is transmitted by the request of Las Vegas State Police Department at 3 a.m. Eastern Time. The Ghost Formula One. We are killing more people in state of Las Vegas. The governor of Las Vegas has just declared a state of emergency. If you live in Las Vegas, take these precautions: lock doors and windows, turn off lights, get a med kit with food and water, and use a flashlight. If a ghost driver is in your home, use a powerful Flashlight and shine them at their eyes. If you do so, their eyes will go blind, turn white, burn, and their bodies will be burned by light. Flashing a light on the ghost Formula 1 will able to burn their body. Another option is that you could use a flashlight for the outside of your house that will turn on when a person walks into your door of your home. If you have those flashlights, use it so the ghost Formula 1 will get trapped by light. When they are near the door, it can trigger them to come to your door when the light is on. When they are about to try to the open door, the light will turn on. It is believed that they are scared of light and they can turn weather into a black acid rainstorm to keep them alive. Tune to local outlets for further information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted by the request of the United States government at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. The people East Coast is being killed by the ghost Formula 1. If you don't live in the East Coast, don't go there. You will face some jeopardy. Everyone that's in the East Coast needs to evacuate immediately. Tune to local outlets for further information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 1:25 p.m. Eastern Time, the ghost Formula 1 were killing of their people around the country. This is a national alert. Everyone in the United States needs to shelter in place immediately. President will speak shortly. This is an emergency action notification directed by the President of the United States and the federal government. All cable systems and broadcast stations shall transmit the following emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public and assigned to them. This is AMO, and this station continue to serve the downtown Las Vegas area. If you are not in this area now, a station providing news and information for your area, you are listening to your emergency alert system serving the downtown Las Vegas area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines must be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has activated. We interrupt this programming. This is emergency alert. The president to speak in a minute. Please stand by. People of the United States, here is the president.
My fellow Americans, we're in a war against the ghost Formula 1 that's invading our country. We shall send Ghostbusters to catch ghost Formula 1 with light. Everyone that's in shelter, don't worry, we will win this war. This is the scary cars moment in this country. To all my Americans, God bless you and let's win this war.
That was the message from the president. Everyone that's in the United States, stay in shelter till further notice. The following message is translated by the request of the United States government at 2:33 p.m. Eastern Time. The Ghostbusters helicopter is light all over the country, killed all the Ghost Formula 1 and the acid rain weather is gone. Everyone is in United States can leave. They're a shelter now, but some people died and some are missing. If you have a family member or friend that's missing, call 911 immediately. This an emergency action termination. You may now leave your shelter. Have a good day, people.